You just got off a panel at the Yale Private Equity Conference. What were some of the most important issues that were raised on the panel, and what are your specific thoughts on those issues?
One of the biggest issues facing our industry is the capital overhang and the amount of equity that's weighting investment relative to the opportunities that exist. There's way too much equity relative to those opportunities, and as such creates an imbalance in the number of people and the amount of capital chasing new investments. Generally that causes prices to go up and returns to go down.
So if you had to pick a couple of core trends that you're seeing going into 2012 for private equity, what would they be?
Well, in the terms of short term, right now I think the volume of activity is declining. I think that we expect to see a fairly significant reduction in private equity activity in the fourth quarter as a function of the dislocations that have occurred beginning sort of in the July-August timeframe and then sort of continuing in the volatility that we're experiencing today. So it's going to be challenging for anyone to decide to sort of start the process of selling a company. On the other hand, I think that for those who can find opportunities to buy, they probably will be reasonably attractive because pricing is probably going to be on the margin somewhat under pressure. Although, of course, the excessive equity that's available is going to create a floor on everything, and things aren't ever going to get very cheap.